Well, we've been working here in Kevin's shop. Kevin's been working on this motorcycle for quite a while. I just came up to
Helps set the timing. It's easier with one on each side.
set the timing, which is dead nuts on.
Yep.
We've done a little wiring to get the brake done and brake light working properly. And we just did a little rerouting the throttle. So that's all I've contributed, but Kevin's going to give you a recap of what he's done on this bike, and then we're going to do a start so you can hear it. And let me tell you, it's loud with those shorty pipes, but it is healthy.
Yeah.
All right, fill us in on what you've done.
All right. Put in an electronic ignition, which included the box, of course, and a new regulator rectifier. Got rid of all the, well, didn't get rid of it, clipped and capped all of the unnecessary wires. He has no turn signals, so that was a lot. He bought an older, well, a liquid-filled battery, so had to do all that, had to charge that. Pulled the carbs, cleaned all those out. There had been some experimentation with jets, and the jets were way too big, so I just went right back to spec, which is what I always do, and she's fine. Of course, all new fluids everywhere. The ignition switch was goofy, so we had to fix that up. Check the valves. They were a little tight, not horrible, but I loosened them up a little bit. Again, better a little loose because they'll tighten up over time. Of course, new coils, brand new tires on that. Of course, we just bled the brakes because there was virtually no brake fluid in them. Did all of that. The brake light wasn't working, so we changed the ground out on that and made sure we had power. So basically, everything. All right. You ready?
Yeah, we're going to fire him up now.
Yep. Yeah, we got a nice headlight.
Before, when we were doing this, the bike would just stall. We wouldn't figure it out. Finally, we figured out this switch had just gone hinky.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just terrible, so we fixed that. And that solved a lot of problem.
Yep, we got high-low beam, so that's good.
Okay.
We got horn.
There you go.
And tail light. And now we have brake light.
We have a brake light.
Yes.
All right. Hello.
All right. Now, let's give her a start.
You know what? That sounds really good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, his neighbors are going to love him.
And
Isn't that gorgeous?
The chain was way stretched,
Yeah,
way out of line. So right now it doesn't have a chain, so I have to put a chain on, reassemble it, and then test ride it. But I don't see any problems at this point.
And here's an aside. So I came in here and I looked at the wiring up here at the new ignition system, stuff like that, and I said, "Did you do that or did I?" Because it's freaking gorgeous. Kevin is doing some wiring now that is just knock your socks off great. It's really cool. It is really, really cool. He's done so many things on this bike that I said, "Did you do this or did I at some point in time?" And that's really neat. I like that a lot. All right, so I'm ready to chop this off and I'll post it.
Great.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
we're good.